Hi everyone and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. Well, in today's video I'm going to be showing you one of a requested video which was many people have requested on my channel, and that is to show how to make some hummus and some falafel. So I hope you like these recipes. They're very easy and very simple to make. I hope you give them a try, and I hope you let me know in the comments box below how your hummus and your falafel turned out. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and once you have subscribed, do click the bell so every time I put up a new video you will be the first to know. So let's get started. And make sure that you watch the video right up to the end, because I'm going to be giving you the benefits of including chickpeas, as we call them Kabuli Chana here locally, in your diet. So the main ingredient of both the hummus as well as the falafel is the chickpea, also known as Kabuli Chana. So first I'm going to start with making this lovely, smooth and delicious hummus. And then we're going to make the falafels. So let's begin. Now for the hummus, what I have done is I have taken about 1 cup of chickpeas and I have soaked it for about 5 to 6 hours. You can also soak it overnight, and then I've cooked it in a pressure pan for 1 whistle on high and then a simmer for 10 minutes, and then let the chickpeas come to room temperature. So here I have 1 cup of cooked chickpeas. They're not very mushy, but they're cooked. 1 cup of sesame seeds, also known as peel. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. 1 tablespoon of dahi or yogurt or curd. The juice of 1.5 lime or lemon, salt to taste, and some extra virgin olive oil. Now I have a recipe for how to make curd at home. I will leave it in my description box below. Now all you have to do is put all of these ingredients into your fruit processor or your mixer, and you're going to grind this to a very smooth paste with the help of the olive oil. We're not going to add any water to this at all. And this is what the paste should look like. Just transfer it to a serving dish and smoothen it out. And now we're just going to drizzle some extra virgin olive oil. You can put as little or as much as you like. And then we're just going to smoothen it out with the olive oil. And then you can decorate this with some lovely olives, some sprigs of coriander. And you're going to put this in the refrigerator because we want to have this nice and chilled with the falafels. And now the next recipe is the falafel recipe. It's very simple with very few ingredients. So let's go through what ingredients we will require for making these delicious falafels. So here I have 2 cups of chickpeas, which I've only soaked in hot water for about 5-6 hours. We don't have to boil them or cook them. We just have to soak them. Then we require about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of fresh coriander or cilantro, 1 medium onion which we are going to chop very fine, 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, We also will be requiring 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can also use paprika, and salt to taste. So let's begin making the falafels. Just like how we made the hummus, we have to put all of this into a blender or a food processor. And we have to grind this to a very coarse paste. Now, the reason why we haven't used boiled chickpeas or Kabuli Chana is because then it becomes very mushy and it becomes very difficult to get, a cutlet kind of, to form a cutlet with it. It keeps, falling apart. Whereas if you just soak these chickpeas in hot water, they just come to the right consistency. And once you grind them, they, come to a very nice coarse paste like this. So I've just put a little bit of oil, or you can use clarified butter on your hands, or ghee, just to make it easier to, form these falafels or balls. So just form a ball and just press them down into these flat shaped cutlet kind of shape. These are very, very delicious, and they go so well with the lovely chilled hummus. So in this way, I'm just going to be forming these falafels. And now that the falafels are all formed, you can just keep them in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes. And then you have to shallow fry them or deep fry them, or you can even bake them in an oven. And they are all ready to eat. So it's such an easy recipe. You can make the paste and just keep it in the refrigerator and fry them when you're ready to eat or serve your guest. So I hope you like today's recipes. I hope you give them a try, and do let me know in the comments box as to how you like today's recipes. Here I'm leaving you with all the goodness of the chickpeas or the Kabuli Chana. And if you like this video, give it a like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and become a part of Akshata's Recipes family. Once you have subscribed, click the bell, so every time I put up a new video, you will get a message, so you won't miss out anything happening on my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, watching my videos, supporting Akshata's Recipes, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care till then. Bye.